Oh, now you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Didn't turn my microphone on. Sorry. Can everybody say hello? Mark, say hello. Sophia, turn on your video. Tiger, say hello.
Hello.
Derek, say hello.
Hello.
Good. Can everybody talk?
Good afternoon, Teacher Lindsay.
Hello,
Talk,
Sophia.
talk, talk, talk.
Hello, Jason.
Hello,
Hello, Lindsay.
Hello, Patrick.
I got your wrong classroom.
Okay, goodbye. Okay,
No.
we need to turn to our Unit 4, so take them out fast, please. Do you have your workbook for Unit 4? Wesley, are you making strange noises? All right. Let's start with looking at Unit 4. Who wants to raise their hand and read the first one? There may not be. Okay, Tiger, go.
There may not be life in our solar system outside Earth.
Kids, look at that sentence. Does everybody see it says there may not be life in our solar system outside Earth? I want you to understand something. When we say may in English or might and might not are the same thing. So if I say, Jason might not be wearing pants, Jason may be wearing pants. It's the same thing. May not. Might not. If I say, Derek may have a girlfriend, he may not have a girlfriend. It means the same thing. Kids, I'm going to take a picture of everybody who's not turned on their camera. Let me go get my phone. Wait a minute. Oh, I have it. Let's take a picture of who's not turned on their camera. Teacher Maggie asked me to send it to her because she said in her class everybody turns on the camera. Is that true? Let's see who's not turned on their camera. Candace, Jamie, Sandy. I don't know who this person is at the bottom. Who's this person with the round circle thing? Anybody know who that is?
Round circle thing.
You see it like a...
Ryan.
Oh, yeah, we're not surprised. Well, I'm glad to see Finn's here. Mark, you need to turn on the air conditioner. Oh, look, Jamie's here. So good to see Jamie, finally. Let me take a picture again so that nobody gets in trouble. Okay, very good. Now, I just told you might and might not mean the same thing, right? And remember, I told you a few months ago that may and might are the same thing, but actually not, because sometimes may means let. You may sit down, you may go to the bathroom, may I go home? Sometimes let means may. May means let, but might always means maybe will. Any questions? Who's going to read the next one? We might not. Who can read it? Good, Tiger, read it for me.
We might not receive messages from extraterrestrials in the future.
And of course, I could easily say the same thing. We might receive messages from extraterrestrials. May not. Might not. Same thing, right? At the bottom, let's start reading some of the answers. If you haven't written it, you can write them now. Jason, help me read the first one. Give me the answer for the first one, Jason. What star is that?
What star is that? It may be the North Star.
Jason, the brightest star in the sky is the North Star. Do you know how to say that in Chinese?
Yes, 北极星.
Very good. So everybody knows what a North Star is. And I'll ask you later, was the North Star important? Yes, the North Star was very important. A long time ago, sailors used the North Star. You know, the North Star never moves. The other stars move in the sky, right? But the North Star stays in one place and it's very bright. So you can use it to find your way home. All right, number 2. Sophia, is there life on other planets?
There might be.
There might be. But see, the same thing Sophia could say is there might not be. Okay? So what I want you to understand is this. When you answer yes, no questions, there are 3 answers. Jason, do you hear me? For a yes, no question, Evan, there are 3 answers. One answer is yes, one answer is no, and the third answer is might. So when you answer a question with might, you do not say yes and no in front of it. So if I say, is Finn going to the beach tomorrow? He might go to the beach tomorrow. I do not say yes, he might. No, he might not. I don't say the yes and no in front. I'll say this again. When you answer a yes no question, there are 3 possible answers: yes, no, and might. Got it? When you say yes, you answer yes. When you say no, you answer no. But with might, you do not say yes and no in front of their answers. Got it? Any questions? Number 3. What was that shape moving in the sky? Nobody raised their hand. Violet, what was that shape moving in the sky?
I thought it might be a comet.
Very good. Number 4. Sarah, will extraterrestrials eat Ryan? I'm sorry, visit Earth.
They may.
They may. They might. They might. They might not. They may not. Everybody understand that? Okay, now, right now, I just want to practice might. And when I ask you these questions, I only can ask you present tense and future tense. Later today, I'll teach you how to say it in past tense. But right now, you only know how to answer present tense and future tense. Future tense is easy. Derek, will it rain next week?
There might rain next week.
Be careful. I didn't say will there. I said will it. Will it rain next week?
It might rain next week.
Sophia, will you have hamburgers for lunch tomorrow?
Yes, I might have.
You said yes.
Oh, I might have hamburgers tomorrow for lunch.
You might. Tiger, will teacher Maggie be your teacher next year?
Teacher Maggie might be my teacher next year.
I know you guys want to answer yes and no sometimes, but when you're using might and may, you do not answer that. Jason, will we have school in September?
We might not have school in September.
Fine. If you want to say might not, that's okay too. We might not, right? Joyce, will Eric marry Candace?
They might not.
I don't want to hear that. I just want to hear Eric. Is it Eric? Mark might marry Candace. Say it.
Eric might marry
A gorilla. Okay, fine. Evan, will your mother make pizza for dinner?
She might make pizza for dinner.
I know you want to say no, but I want to hear the might, right? Ryan, will your brother marry a pig?
my brother.
You have to turn up your microphone. We cannot hear you, Ryan.
I don't have a brother.
I'm talking to Ryan Yin.
No, my brother.
You cannot say no. You have to tell me might. Will your brother marry a pig?
My brother.
Just say he might marry a pig. Quickly.
Can I repeat?
Fine. I cannot hear you guys. You're not loud enough. Candace, will Jason kiss a monkey?
Jason might kiss some monkeys.
That's true. And the monkey will run away very angry. Tiger, will we go to hunting for our school trip?
We might go to hunting on our school trip.
Sarah, will Sophia have lots of babies?
She might have lots of babies.
Who knows, right? Now, I've asked future tense. Let's ask present tense. Okay? Derek, does Evan like Kiki?
Evan might Kiki.
He might like Kiki. We don't know. Jason, does Sophia pick her nose in class?
She might pick her nose in class.
Yeah, we don't know. Violet, does Ryder smell bad?
Ryan might smell bad.
You're right. We can't smell him. Maybe he smells bad. Ryan might smell bad. Tiger, does your mother hate to cook?
Yes, my sorry, my mother might hate cooking.
Okay, fine. Now I can even ask you present continuous. Derek, is Evan sitting on the toilet right now?
Yes, he might
Don't
sitting
say
on
yes.
the toilet right.
Say it again. Don't say yes.
He might sitting on the toilet right now.
He might be sitting on the toilet right now. Got it?
Got it.
Sophia, is Jason thinking about Candace?
Jason might
Might be thinking.
be thinking of Candice.
He might be thinking of Kevin. Violet, is Tiger drinking toilet water?
He might be drinking toilet water.
So delicious. Leo, is Derek playing with his underwear? He might be
He might be playing
with.
playing with his underwear.
Good. I can even ask you this. What is Sophia doing right now? And you could say, well, she might be watching TV. I don't know. What is Mark doing right now? Well, he might be thinking about Violet. We don't know. Tiger, what is Jason doing right now?
Jason might watch TV right now.
Might be.
Huh? Jason might be watching TV right now.
Sophia, what is Violet doing right now?
Violet might be having class right now.
Very good. Kiki, what is Evan doing right now?
He is.
He might be.
He might be. He
Oh.
might be.
He might be picking his nose. He might be eating dinner. He might be thinking about Patrick. Good. Evan, what is Kiki doing right now?
He might be thinking right now.
About you. About you? Evan said yes.
She might be thinking the question.
About the question. Oh, good answer. Jason, what is Sophia doing right now?
She might having class right now.
She might be having class right now.
Or she might be having class right now.
Finn, what is Sarah doing? Finn is dead. Finn, are you here today? Keep going.
She might watching TV right now.
She might be.
She might be watching TV right now.
Perfect. Violet, what is Ryan doing right now?
Oh.
He might be playing with his underwear right now.
That's true. All right. Everybody understood what I said. You can do present tense, you can do future tense, you can even do present continuous, right? Right now, I'm going to teach you how to do past tense. The book does not tell you how to do this. To do past tense, we don't use past tense, we use present perfect. So if I ask you a did question, you will answer might have. So, did Jason eat pizza for lunch? I don't know. He might have eaten pizza for lunch. Don't ask me. Did Sophia kill Leo? I don't know. She might have killed Leo. Who cares? Got it? So you're going to use might have when I ask you the past tense. You're going to answer with present perfect. Any questions? So try this. Sophia, did Derek buy flowers for Kiki?
I don't know. He might have bought flowers for Kiki.
Very good. Sarah, did Kiki throw the flowers away?
She might throw the flowers away.
You forgot the might have. She might have thrown.
She might have thrown the flowers away.
Very good. Finn, did Jason fall in love with Joyce?
Jason might be fall in love with
Might
Joyce.
have fallen.
Jason might have fallen in love with Joyce.
When you're using past tense, Finn, you have to use might have with a PP verb, okay? Jason, did Leo kill Finn?
Leo might kill Finn.
What did I tell you you have to do? Sophia,
Leo
stop playing
might
with those
have
joys.
killed Finn.
Leo might have killed Finn. We don't know it. All we know is Finn is dead, right? Who's got the next one? Mark. Did Evan marry Kiki?
I don't know. Evan may not
Never say may have. May have.
married Kiki.
Poor Kiki. Who can I do it? Candace, did Sophia do her homework?
Sophia might have
Done?
done her homework.
Kids, I don't need to tell you. You're in 5th grade. You should know your PP verbs. Jensen, did you hear what we said about how to do the past tense?
Yes.
Jensen, who stole the money? Evan, stop playing with that.
Jason may have stolen the money.
Sophia, who took the car?
Jason might have taken the car.
Tiger, who ate my cake?
Mark might eat your cake.
No.
Huh?
How do we
Mark
do past tense?
have eaten your cake.
You're right. Kiki, who drank the Coke?
Ivan
Might have.
might have drinking the Coke.
不是 drinking. Might have drunk the Coke.
Drunk the Coke.
Good. Sarah, who made dinner?
Someone might have made the dinner.
Might have made dinner.
Might have made dinner.
Violet, who opened the door?
Someone might have opened the door.
Can you guys stop saying someone? I want a name. Joyce, who hit Wesley in the nose?
What the? Wow.
Nobody hits Wesley.
You need to tell me. Maybe. So you have to say, Sophia might have hit Wesley in the nose. Like that. Okay? So Joyce, who hit Wesley in the nose?
Sophia
Might have.
hit Wesley
In the nose.
in the nose.
Where's Jason? Is Jason here?
Yes,
Jason,
I'm here.
Okay, Jason, who took your homework? You don't have a microphone turned on.
My dad might have taken my homework.
Good. Does everybody understand how to make this past tense now? It's really not hard, right? Everybody can do it. You understand? The book does not do this. The book only teaches you. Evan, I'm going to turn off your video if you keep playing. I'll give your place in the room to some other person. If you guys keep doing this, I'll just turn it off and give it to somebody else. Joyce, you guys stop writing in the chat room. I can see it. This is recording. Everybody can see it. Your teacher will see that. You guys stop driving me crazy. All right, listen. In the book, number 1, Jupiter. Who's going to read it for me? Good. Derek, read number 1.
I'm finding.
You're looking for your book. Mark, can you read?
I found it.
Okay, read it. Number 1, we think.
We think Jupiter might have moons that we haven't discovered yet.
That means we don't know. Number 2, Violet.
I think other solar systems may also have planets like Earth.
Let me tell you guys a secret. All of these answers are the same. May, might. Phil, read number 3. Finn, read number 3.
Someday people might be able to go to the space on vacation.
Good. Kids, I want you to look at this. They wrote be able to because that means can. Right now, people are not able to do it because our technology is not good enough. So they use that be able to mean just a nunlia because we can do it. We can do it now, but someday we may be able to. Read number 4, please, Tiger. Tiger, turn on your microphone.
The astronauts may have to be in space for many months.
Somebody raise your hand. Why may they need to be in space for many months? Why may the astronauts? Jason, what do you think?
Because they want to go to space one time costs many money and
A lot of money.
a lot of money, but so they won't shoot that much rockets.
But why do they have to go there for many months?
And because they can just go one time and they can collect lots of information.
True. Maybe that's one reason. Maybe it's expensive to go there. Anybody have another reason? Maybe Another reason, why might they have to live in space for many months? Tiger, what do you think? Sophia, what do you think?
Because it takes many times
A lot of time.
a lot of time to go to space, and they need to live there.
Sophia, why would it take a long time to go somewhere in space? Tiger, why?
It's hard to go to space once.
Yeah, but that's what Jason said. And Sophia said it takes a long time to go somewhere. Why would it take a long time to go somewhere in space? Mark, why would it take someone a long time to go in space?
Space don't have air.
Yeah, but the air doesn't make you go slower. Finn, what do you think?
Space don't have the
动力的英文。我先等一下，我先充个电，不然我没电。哦。
Finn, do you have an answer?
No, I don't have.
Okay, Derek, what do you think?
We haven't find the black hole in the space, so when we go to other planets, we need to take a lot of time.
We haven't found what?
The black hole.
I know.
Oh, listen, kids, we're not talking about black hole. I'll tell you the answer. I'll give you a choice. Is it because astronauts, the spacecraft goes very slowly, or is it because things are very far away? Sophia, what do you think?
It is very far, and the time will change.
It does. But the point here is that everything is very far away. Do not think that the spacecraft goes slowly. Actually, those spacecraft are going very, very far and very fast. They're not going slowly. It's just so far. So if you want to go on the moon or you want to go to Mars, it takes a long time. Why does it take a long time? Because it's so far away. The wrong answer is the spacecraft goes slowly. That's not right. Actually, the spacecraft go very fast. But the problem is everything is so far away. All right, who's going to read the next one for me? Number 6. Jason.
She didn't agree that there might be life in our galaxies.
So maybe she didn't agree with that. Number 7, who's going to read it? Finn, read number 7. And Finn doesn't know his name. Ryan, can you read number 7?
They knew that the big star in the sky might actually be a planet.
All right, they knew that the big star in the sky might actually be a planet. Tomorrow, we'll talk about how to see stars and planets in the sky. Number 8, who's going to read it? Evan, go.
Have you heard there may be a new planet in our solar system?
If you look at number 8, some people might think this is using past tense might, but it's not. The question, have you heard? That part is present perfect. Have you heard? The might is not might have. So we're still not doing past tense. Number 8, have you heard? Yes, I have heard. No, I haven't heard. It's still not a past tense question. It's a present perfect. Anybody have a question about that? Okay, so using past tense, let me ask it one more time. Answer with might. Tiger, did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it rained yesterday.
Okay, let's try this again, Tiger. Using might and past tense, give me an answer. Did it rain yesterday?
It might
Have.
have rained yesterday.
Sophia, did you eat breakfast yesterday?
Yes, I ate breakfast yesterday.
Okay, we're going to try this again. Answer with might and past tense. Did you eat breakfast yesterday?
I might have eaten breakfast yesterday.
We will often answer this way if we don't remember. Got it? Jason, did you do your homework last week?
Yeah, I might have done my homework last week.
That means you're not sure, you don't remember. Okay? Mark,
Yeah.
did you see your friend last month?
I might have saw my
Seen,
friend.
I might have seen. Say it again.
I might have seen my friend next
Last week.
month. Last week.
Last
You say
week.
month.
Derek, I forgot. Derek, did you forget your book at school?
No, I. Oh no. I might
Have.
have forgotten my book at school.
Violet, what happened to your book?
It might.
I might have.
I might have forgotten it.
I might have forgotten it at school. I might have lost it. Tiger might have stolen it. I might have lent it to Sophia. Does everybody understand these answers? All right, kids, we have to stop there. The internet's going to stop it. See you tomorrow, okay? Bye, kids.
Bye-bye.